Hi, I'm Dr. Jahnavi. Welcome to this channel. So most of you would have gone through the name of this channel and hence come here to find out what this is about. Or either you are a parent of a child or a caregiver whose child has been diagnosed with some sort of a pediatric endocrine condition and hence want to know more about it. You may also be a medical practitioner interested in this field. In any ways, welcome to this channel. So what is pediatric endocrinology? Pediatric endocrinology is basically the branch which covers the growth, hormone, and development of the child. To put it in simple words, our body's endocrine system consists of multiple glands. For example, we have the pituitary gland, which secretes a number of hormones like the growth hormone, the thyroid gland, which secretes the thyroid hormone, the pancreas, which secretes insulin and other hormones. We have the puberty glands, which plays an important role for the secondary sexual characteristics of the child. We have the adrenal glands, we have the parathyroid glands, which help in the bone health, and so on. So, as pediatric endocrinologists, if there's any problem in the functioning of any of these hormones, then we come into the picture. So, what are the conditions that we take care of? So, there are a number of endocrine conditions which we've seen in children. For example, growth disorders like short stature, tall stature, obesity, underweight, thyroid related problems. Then we have diabetes mellitus like type 1 diabetes mellitus, type 2 diabetes mellitus. There is early puberty, delayed puberty. Then there are a lot more conditions as well. Then there are some rarer conditions also which come into the spectrum like Prader-Willi syndrome, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and so on. So these are a few of the conditions which we as pediatric endocrinologists take care of. What can you expect from this channel? I'll be posting new videos about the common pediatric endocrine conditions, like how do we diagnose it, how do we go about treating it, what are the symptoms that you should look out if you have a child and want to make sure that the child is growing fine. I'll also be giving you real life case scenarios, tips on how to manage these conditions, like how to take the tablets, what is the best time to take it. First and foremost, parents. As parents and in today's generation, it's very important that you make sure your child is growing appropriately and normal for his or her age. It's also very important that you recognize early symptoms of common conditions so that you are able to take the help of a specialist as soon as possible. You may also be the parent of a child who is already diagnosed with a pediatric endocrine condition and hence can get more information in a better manner from this channel. Lastly, you may be a medical practitioner or a student, and this channel will help you to diagnose the common conditions. This channel has been created mainly so that you benefit from it. Now, you may need some authentic source where you get information which is in a detailed way but in a very simple manner which is also up to date. So if that is what you are looking for, this is the correct space. I will be sharing such up to date information, and at the end of each video I will also be sharing a link to common patient resources, patient education leaflets, patient advocacy groups which can help you go on in your journey further. If you've been here till now, thank you so much. Looking forward to meeting you in the other videos as well. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be about type 1 diabetes, what it is, how do we manage it, how do we diagnose it, what are the symptoms you should be looking for, and so on.